Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you're new here, my name is Yvonne and I'm a lifestyle content creator from Nairobi, Kenya. I also love reviewing products, sharing my honest opinion and experiences using them. Today I'm going to be sharing a detailed review of this Rashnik mixer blender. But before we get into the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, I trust that you have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Let's get into the video. So guys, I'm quickly going to unbox this blender. We are going to determine if it's a perfect addition to your kitchen. So I like how it's securely packed. It comes with a lid and lid insert, as you can see. Let's see what else it comes with. It's 2-in-1, so it comes with a grinder. Here it is. I like its simple and stylish look. So I'm removing the jar now, the jar or jug, whatever you want to call it. And I can see it's 1.5 liters. Again, just like the grinder, I see it has a very minimalist yet stylish design, which I love. By the way, it comes in different colors, lime green, red, and black. Personally, I chose to go with black because it's the color that will fit into my kitchen aesthetic. I love that it has a sturdy base to ensure safety during operation. As you can see, it has non-slip rubber feet for easy grip. It has a pulse function, giving you complete control over the blending process. Also, I think I should mention it comes with a 450 watt motor to deliver excellent blending power. I'm really excited. I want to try it out already. Let's see what else is in the box. There's this mixing rod. Usually it fits in the lid insert like that. Then lastly, there's the manual. It comes with a very detailed manual. I recommend that you go through it before you start using the blender. Everything to do with the accessories the blender comes with, the usage of the blender is written there. It's very important to read the manual. So this is the grinder. This is how it looks like. Now, the moment we have all been waiting for, let's see how the blender performs. I'm making a simple smoothie. This is the kind of smoothie that I enjoy taking after working out. It's rich in proteins and very yummy. In fact, I never add sugar to this smoothie. So guys, it comes with multiple speed settings, allowing you to choose the ideal speed depending on the ingredients or consistency you desire. Whether you're looking to make smoothies, soups, sauces, or even grind spices and nuts, I see that this blender can get the job done quickly and efficiently. I love that the settings give you complete control over the blending process, from gentle stirring to high-speed blending. Guys, I am so impressed by this blender, and I think it's safe to say that from its sleek, simple design to its efficient performance and user-friendly features, it is indeed a valuable addition to any kitchen. I'm going to leave a written review in my description box, so make sure you check it out. Also, I'm going to leave helpful links in case you're interested in purchasing this blender. If you enjoy this type of videos or product reviews, kindly consider subscribing because there's more to come.